What is up, you guys, and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in for another video. Dividend Queen here. On my channel, we share content all about dividends, passive income, investing, and everything in between. So if you are into this type of content, then please comment, like, and subscribe down below. Today, we're going to talk about my portfolio. We're going to give a quick update into all of my stocks and how they're doing. So if you are interested, then please stay tuned. So each and every week, you guys, I invest about $100 into my Robinhood app for dividend investing. I've been doing this so far for about 6 months now. And my goal is simply to grow my portfolio to $500 per month in dividends as a completely passive stream of income, inspire you guys to get started on your journey, and to document the process for my kids and teach them financial literacy in the process. All right, you guys. So let's get into this dividend portfolio. Right now, you guys, we have finally made it to 7K. We're at $7,088.08. And we're up today so far $25.79. And on the week, we're up $65.33, 0.93%. On the month, we're up $75.72, about 1.5%. In 3 months, we're up 10.7%, $684.89. And over the year, we're up $368.82 at 0.548%. And all time, 5.48%. So let's take a look, you guys, at all of the stocks that I have. I have 30 stocks right now, so bear with me. I really like diversification. And if I'm being honest, when I first got started, I just bought a ton of stocks, just purchased a bunch of different stocks that I no longer have. And right now, I'm narrowing down my portfolio to only the stocks that I really want to have in my portfolio. So right now we have Raytheon Technologies. We're up $2.20. With Coca-Cola, we're up $22.72. With AT&T, we're up $1.70. With Good, we're up $22.38. With Southern Company, we're up $3.46. FRT, we're up $19.37. And with Realty Income Corporation, we're up $68.24. WP Carey, we're up $25.56. AGNC, this is a REIT, you guys, and we're down $16.69. SPHD, we're up $1.46. Medical Properties, we're up $14.14. Verizon, we're up $2.77. And with Duke, we're up $13.92. PPL Corporation, we're up $4.13. With Prospect Capital, we're down $6.56. This is another REIT. And with Archer Daniel Midland, we're up $8.86. Procter and Gamble, we're up $16.22. With IBM, we're up $22.73. Electric Transfer, we're up $7.51. Iron Mountain, we're up $32.45. General Parts Company, we're up $21.21. With Welltower, we are up $29.77. In AbbVie, we're up $15.69. With 3M, we're up $15.88. And in Foot Locker, we're up $20.14. With Honeywell, we're up $26.44. And Pfizer, we're up $38.51. Caterpillar, we're up $28.10. EPD up $37.84. And Main Street Capital, we're up $76.82. So that was it, you guys. That was my entire portfolio for the time being. I'm extremely happy about where I am right now and being up on the portfolio. And I really just want to continue to invest more so that I can continue to grow my dividends and try and reach my goal of 50 to $55 per month in dividend income. So yeah, comment down below. What do you think about my portfolio? Are you on it? dividend investing journey as well, or any sort of investing journey, let me know. And thanks for tuning in for another video. See you in the next one.